Hello everyone. There has been more drama and delays at the Section 194 inquiry after suspended public protector Mkhwebane accused the committee of telling blue lies about a witness. Mkhwebane has also accused the inquiry's chairperson of insulting her in a letter regarding Thursday's witness and the matter about non-payment of her legal costs. The public protector has returned to the inquiry into her fitness to hold office with her legal team after the absence on Monday. The Section 194 inquiry was meant to get evidence from one of Mkhwebane's witness investigator, Mkhwebane. But Mkhwebane raised issues about a letter from committee chairperson Richard Danji, accusing him of distorting facts about the witness, declining to make a statement to the inquiry. Mkhwebane said, "Letter is very distorted, insulting, and very concerning. If you've signed such a letter, Chairperson, I wonder whether you've gone through it and understood what it means." Her counsel, Advocate Dalimpofu, also said, "We have a letter from you which is insulting, disrespectful, untruthful, and contains serious insults to the public protector and her team." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.